Hi, my name is JJ, and today on JJ's Bakes, we are baking biscuits. And how good it is that my Uncle Simon, he lent me this recipe. Simon Majumdar, he's on Food Network, he's a very top chef, and he also has a little podcast called Eat My Globe. All right, let's get our bake on. Oh, wait, we're filming? Okay. So this is almond flour. This is baking powder, sorry. We got 1 teaspoon, a half teaspoon of salt, mashed up eggs, our butter, which includes 5 ingredients, plus one more is 6, and that one more is cheese. This cheese can be cheese or bacon. Yeah, but today we're doing cheese. First, we are going to start with 2 cups of almond flour. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 2 eggs beaten, since I just mixed this for 2 minutes, all right. Then we'll add the butter. And now you stir. As it turns out like a muffin type, which looks gross like this. Alright, now we're adding 4 pinches of cheese. 1, 2, 3. And finally, 4. Now we'll stir. We are now folding over and mashing it. And right now, I think it's ready for you guys to use the ice cream scooper and scoop it on the tray. All right. Oh, I think it's time to add the baking tray and the parchment paper. All right. So we are getting our big scoop here and a little spoon to get all this mashed up stuff into here. We can even get some of this and add it in and a little in. All right, now that we added it in, we put the spoon in here and then put it out. Add a little more chunks to it and I think it will be perfect. Alright, now we are putting in the biscuits in this oven temperature is 325 degrees. We cook it for 15 minutes and see how awesome these turn out.